The design of a complex building is really fun. I mean, it's so complex because everything you do, as I mentioned before, it has a ripple effect, right? So if you move that exit stair because it doesn't look good on the elevation or something like that, or you're worried about the flow on the ground floor, that's got a significant impact on your code requirements and on how your fourth floor, your third floor might work. So there's a complexity there that you're always trying to keep in mind. And I think that's what a great architect does at the end of the day. They're able to understand all those pieces at the same time. If you're just thinking, how's this thing going to be built? And that's just your laser focus and you're not thinking about what's this going to look like, how's it going to function in a fire, those questions. If you can't look at all of that at the same time, you're going to have a real tough time because you're going to end up with that building that's just like, oh shoot, I didn't think about what it looked like. And that does happen. And that's what happens when people, and this oftentimes happens, is you get a client who just brings you a floor plan, right? And they have a sketch and it's like, this is what I want. We got that a lot when we did houses. It was like, this is the house I want. It's like, okay, well, I can draw that for you in 3D and I'll show you how bad that looks. I mean, I understand what you're trying to communicate here, but oh yeah, I didn't really think about what it would look like, right? So that's really our job, is trying to understand all of those pieces and how they kind of fit together.